Elegant, powerful and full of technical highlights. The Porsche Panamera has united comfort and driving fun for 10 years. Looking back, after years of development, Porsche presents the first generation top-class limousine in 2009. Impressive, the many technical innovations which have never before been built into any luxury mass production model. Particularly fascinating is the retractable rear spoiler, a feature which has kept Stefan Adams and his colleague Oliver Fischer busy for many years. Both the development and range managers, together with the aerodynamic team, came to us explaining that the planned spoiler was not large enough. It was clear to all involved that we had to keep the typical Porsche fly line. So we set about solving the problem, which was, how can we fit so much surface area into such a small space? That's how we arrived at the concept of the first generation Panamera.
Based
on the conditions set by the styling and our aim for a certain spoiler size, we had the idea of widening the surface area and were ultimately able to achieve the lift target values even for the turbo model.
Und konnte damit dann letzten Endes die Auftriebszielwerte auch für die Turbomodelle realisieren.
The second generation Panamera arrived in 2016, and the engineers once again excelled themselves by more than doubling the surface area and integrating different tilt angles, allowing for optimal aerodynamics. The spoiler's eco-position is first and foremost designed to achieve the lowest air resistance. This position is used in normal driving conditions for moderate wind speeds of between 90 and 200 km an hour and low consumption. As of 200 km an hour, the aerodynamic requirements are to reduce lift, and to achieve that, the spoiler tilt is increased. An extraordinary amount of technology is built into the spoiler to enable it to move under such enormous pressure. It contains more than 300 parts. We use 2 electric motors and between 25 and 30 different materials. We have a ground plate that is securely screwed to the boot lid, and then there are the flex shafts, the multi-joints. It's basically a tiny technical miracle. And through this ingenious mechanism, the spoiler gains 10 centimeters of surface area on either side. Both engineers and aerodynamic engineers can be really proud of this achievement. So, happy 10th birthday, Panamera.